Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We've got a great episode today for Appies with Chappy by the lake. We're doing some jalapeno potato chip fried chicken drumsticks. Make sure you stay till the very end where I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. First up, we're going to make a drink. Today I'm making a dirty martini. So I got my martini glass already chilled. And we're gonna go 1 ounce of my top shelf vodka. Okay, and just note I'm not going to add the dry vermouth just yet. Alright, and then I found a new dirty martini mix in the States. It's the Santa Barbara Olive Company dirty martini mix. So we're just going to put a splash of that in. And of course, you can just use the brine from olives if you don't have dirty martini mix. All right, and then today we're going to go the opposite of James Bond. We're just going to stir. And as I said, I didn't add the vermouth because I just want the essence. So here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna put a little bit in the glass, swish it around, and that's all the vermouth I need. All right, I'm gonna strain that on in. Of course, I got some olives, and that's my dirty martini. Coming up next, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. All right, so we're gonna do my jalapeno potato chip fried chicken for Appies with Chappy by the lake. I just got some flour. I'm gonna add a little cayenne. That's some heat and a little bit of onion salt. Okay, the star of the show. We got Tim's jalapeno potato chips. Give one of these a try here. Oh, delicious. Okay, just gonna beat them up a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna go flour. This is just a mixture of a little bit of milk and egg, and then the potato chips. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chicken legs we're gonna do, and then we're gonna deep fry. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the Lake. So I got my jalapeno potato chip fried chicken. Leave in the comment section if you like your fried chicken cold for picnics and whatnot. I know I sure do. And we're gonna make a drink to go with my fried chicken. This is called a Bluewater Breeze cocktail, and I'm getting it from theblondecook.com. All right, and we'll go 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of your favorite coconut rum, a cup of coconut water, and it says a tablespoon of blue carousel, and a tablespoon of coconut cream. All right, we're gonna give that a shaky. And I'm just gonna dirty dump that ice and all into my tiki mug. And I got a nice umbrella garnish. And that's a Bluewater Breeze cocktail to go with my jalapeno potato chip fried chicken. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.